Hey, this is Jamin Jamie from Jamin Leather. I want to talk to you about repairing a zipper. Usually it's a zipper slide. Zipper slide is what usually gets worn out after a while. Sometimes the zipper slide gets a little separated. Sometimes it gets a little worn. And sometimes replacing the slide will fix the problem. It'll prevent it from falling apart or separating, things like that. As you can see right here, we got a zipper slide that's working perfectly. But let's say we wanted to replace it. What we do is we take there's usually a cap end here that we pulled apart. That the stopper gets pressed on here to replace it. Usually that comes off with a wire cutters. It's easy to pull it apart, and then you pull that off, and then the zipper will slide right off. And then you can replace that with another slide that is of the same size. Make sure that they are the same size, and then you can put that on, and then all you have to do is replace the slide by putting the stopper back on. Little needle nose pliers here, worked out perfectly. Squish that together, and next thing you know, you have a zipper that won't come off, and now it's repaired. Now, one thing I want to share with you as far as zippers are concerned, it's not always easy to repair a zipper itself, because the zipper slide is probably the only thing. If you're missing teeth from your zipper, it will not get repaired. The zipper itself has to be completely replaced by a professional. And sometimes this particular piece here, the male end that goes into the zipper, if that falls off, that means your zipper is also unfortunately not repairable. It has to be replaced. So if it doesn't have a male end to stick into the bottom of your zipper, it's going to be a problem. So let me show you one of the other styles. Let's say here's another example right here. See where the zipper, the male end is missing, the metal part is missing? That's because that's what will cause it to never zip up correctly, and that means the zipper needs to be replaced. Now I've got some other examples of bad problems that are common that happen on occasion. This is where the zipper slide actually broke. This would take a professional to get into the liner, to get into the back side, so they can there's a stopper off in there that needs to be taken off, and then the slide can be put back on. So that's another professional job. Most of your replacements are professional. Like here, here's another example of a zipper inside a liner that can easily be replaced by the opposite end. In this particular case, the opposite end is here. So what happens is they just sew it back. You can undo the stitch and the zipper slide will fall off and a new one can go on. But it will not replace. If this part's broken, it will not get repaired. So those are some examples of what to look for when you're trying to replace or repair a zipper. And I hope you have some luck. We appreciate you shopping. Jamin Leather.